everybody, and welcome to It's a Love Thing, guys. So I am sitting here watching my little bird, and hopefully some more will come. I haven't seen much of them today, but we'll see who's gonna come and see me today. Normally it's this, I think he's a red robin. I'm not really sure. It's a red bird. I don't know the types of birds they are, but I do think it's a red, I think it's a red robin. I'm not really sure. But anyway, I'm not doing much of anything, just chilling, as the kids would say. What are you guys doing? This weather is so beautiful, and I probably should be outside, but I don't feel like it. I don't know if you guys know this, but I hurt my legs, so I just am pretty much kind of like, just, laying back. Just laying back. But anyway, the season is getting ready to change, and soon it will be raining. And then after that, Christmas. And I know my husband always get mad when I start talking about Christmas, but I told him, everybody love Christmas. We love this time of the year when the snow comes. We just love this time of the year. Why you so quiet, Pookie? He said he don't want to talk about the snow. Like me talking about the snow is gonna make it snow. Come on now. But there is power in the song. Okay, so guys, he told me don't mention it, so I'll just talk to you guys about it. Are you all looking forward to the snow? He is mad because it's gonna snow. I didn't say it was gonna be a lot of snow. I just said it was gonna snow. He can't get mad. The season changed, and that's what it's doing. That's why it's 80 degrees, and tomorrow it'll probably be 50 degrees. You can't look out the window and tell that winter is approaching. There's hardly any leaves still left on the trees. Come on, get used to it. But let me say this right here. I'm going to write my Christmas list out this time. Normally, I don't write a Christmas list. I always tell my children to write a Christmas list. But I'm writing a Christmas list this year. And I'm going to tell them what I want for Christmas so they don't have to guess. Money is always a great gift, but I want them to get what I want. And I have a lot of stuff that I want. And I better get everything on my Christmas list, or else I will be burning food up. Purposely. That would be mean, wouldn't it? That's why I would do it. But anyway, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I thought you guys were going to see some of my bird friends, but they didn't come to see me. Maybe one or two will show up today, hopefully. So I'll let the camera keep rolling, and hopefully I'll be able to catch a bird or two. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Just stay there. Don't go anywhere. Just stay there, because the birds might show up. So just hang around. see you guys in the next video. Bye.